Can I survive the Bali biggest food festival with only $30? Today we have a budget of 500,000 rupiah and a massive appetite. The goal is simple. Try as many dishes as possible without ever going broke. Let's see how far this money gets us. Let's eat. So the location is in Ramayana Bali Mall, which is in Denpasar. The mall itself is pretty old, but now it's becoming super crowded because of the festival, right? They are here until the 18th. Remember, 50 different stalls with 17 pork option and 36 halal option. I'm super hungry now because we haven't eaten since this morning. Preparation for this food festival. So we will find our first dishes that we will try. Let's go. Wow. This looks awesome. See, over there. We rarely have grilled chicken skewer like this in Bali. This one is pretty big. Hai Mbak, berapa satu? 30.000. Apa aja asin?
Ada asin, kimchi, manis, sama stick.
Wow. 4 flavor, salty, kimchi, sweet, and stick. Yang mana paling rekomen?
Biasanya sih yang asin.
Yang asin?
Iya.
Oke, kita coba satu deh yang asin. It's huge. It's like 30 cm huge. Udah berapa lama jualan, Mbak?
Kita di event-event aja, Kak.
Oh, di event-event kuliner aja ya? Rame nggak dari kemarin? Kemarin rame banget.
Iya, hari ini juga.
We wanna have a hard time finding parking spot because it's super full. Neither cars parking spot or the motorbike parking spot. So it's crazy. Our first this cost us what? 30,000? Around $2. So we will have around 470,000 rupiah left. Wow. Okay, so first dish of the day. This is the huge grilled chicken satay. So normally we don't have chicken satay in Bali as big as this one, right? Normally, but this one come from Jakarta, and this is the salty option. Smells amazing, man. So we're gonna try this one. It's not as salty as the name suggests, but I don't know if they put curry seasoning in this or not. But yeah, it's definitely have slightly curry taste. It's good. It's good. 3 big piece of meat with bell peppers. The meat, the chicken is moist, it's tender, it's not dry. I think they cook it very well here. For 30,000, you got this huge satay. So this is definitely great for me. 4.5 out of 5. Now we are finding the second spot. We are going into the pork spot option. So I think this is gonna be absolutely perfect. This looks interesting. Halo. Di sini jual apa aja?
Kita ini ada sate samcan sama ada makanan khas Manado, Kak. Makanan khas Manado ini kita masak dalam bambu.
Yang direkomend yang mana?
Pakai nasi kalau mau coba semuanya.
Oke. Pakai nasinya deh boleh. This is a special pork option, right? They sell Manado food, satay, and then they have pork inside the bamboo shoot. You see over there? Which is crazy. So we're gonna try the rice package, right? They have lapchong, satay, white rice. That's the meat inside the bamboo, right? So it's called pork babi bulu.
Ini kalau mau di-shoot ini Kak, dari bambunya kita keluarin.
Oh boleh. Udah berapa lama jualan?
Jualan ini kita udah 3 tahunan.
Ada cabangnya apa ikut kuliner?
Kalau menu yang ini, brand yang ini kita khusus festival to festival aja.
festival
Iya.
aja.
Kalau outlet kita menu sama brandnya beda.
Okay, good. We're gonna pay 85,000 for this one, so on the high side, but we got all of the meat that they sell, including the vegetable, including rice, and also the sambal. Ini nunggu apa sentuhan kombo?
Oh, ini bisa
Oh,
langsung.
bisa bayar langsung.
Iya. Ini untuk satenya ya Kak.
Sorry?
Aku bonusin sate.
Oh, nggak usah. Tolong. Kita mau coba banyak banget hari ini.
It's okay, nggak apa-apa. Buat ngemil-ngemil.
Nanti, oke. Thank you. They give us bonus for the satay, right? It's crazy, man. So what we spend? No, 85 and then 30,000, right? That's mean we still have 395,000 rupiah to try as many as we can. Mix rice, basically rice mixed with all the meats, all the vegetables, and the sambal. This is gonna be good. Okay, thank you.
Jadi agak panas. Thank you ya Kak.
Makasih ya.
Thank you.
For the second dishes, this is called the warung babi bulu. So their specialty is they cook the pork inside the bamboo, right? So they give us loads of meat and vegetables. 85,000 for this one. So this is definitely a fuller meal than the satay, right? Sambal mata, which is shallot, chilies, and seasoning. This is the cassava vegetables of cassava leaf. We got pork satay in here. We have a lapchong or sweet pork sausage from Chinese. And this is the babi bulu, which is the babi that are cooked inside the bamboo. Excited. We're gonna try, of course, the babi bulu first. We have similar dishes like this in Bali called timbungan, but this is different. So yeah, let's see. Wow. It's super spicy. It has a lot of seasoning. It tastes very similar like babi guling seasoning. So yeah, interesting. The lapchong. Sweet. And the pork satay. Smells amazing, man. Wow. This is sweet as well, savory. I think if we combine everything together, right, you get an amazing flavor. Because you get the saltiness from the babi bulu, you get the sweet from the lapchong and from the satay. They give us so much. It's getting hard to scoop it in. Okay. That's the right way to do it. It's amazing when you eat them one by one. It's okay, it's good. But when you mix it all together, you got the sweet, the salt, and the spiciness from the sambal. It's amazing. See, the egg yolk is still running. Now then, I'm gonna try with the egg. Wow, that's the perfect scoop. It's balancing out everything. This one is definitely money well spent. 85,000. You get a complete full meal package. 4.6 out of 5. Let's try our third dish. We still have 385,000. So definitely try bacang.
Di Jakarta nggak enak, uang kembali boleh silakan.
Kenapa paling enak di Jakarta?
Boleh sekarang buka HP, cari bacang paling enak Jakarta, kita muncul paling atas.
Wow.
Boleh silakan, kita udah buka dari puluhan tahun yang lalu. Boleh silakan.
That's crazy, man. He said that this is one of the best. No, not one of the best. The best bacang in
You can
Jakarta.
search it type it on Google on yourself. The
That's
most
crazy.
delicious bacang in Jakarta.
That's crazy. So definitely we're gonna try this one.
We have two can in here. We have the regular one and the special one.
Which one you recommend the most?
Of course, the special one because it's
special
the
one?
completed one.
How much?
60.
All right, we take it.
Okay.
Check one.
Yang special tetap.
It's crazy.
You want it like it hot or not?
Sure. So why is it the best?
Because it's we already opened maybe in the 90 maybe I think.
90?
Yeah, 90.
Wow.
My grandfather opened it.
Wow.
This is our main production is in West Jakarta in Bandengan. We here open maybe we have 4 festival that we attend. We have one in Surabaya, in Pontianak, in Bandung, and in Jakarta. We also open in Pik 2.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
In the afternoon, Arya Weda, DPR, DPRI come in here and bought a lot of the special one.
Wow.
Okay.
So can you explain a bit what is bacang?
So bacang is basically a traditional Chinese food from Medan.
It's used glutinous rice, right?
Yes.
So it's not normal rice.
We have a normal rice and we have the sticky rice one.
Oh, you have the normal
Yeah.
sticky rice. And
So-
what's in the inside? What is the filling?
So the filling we have
Pork meat?
pork meat and
You have like sweet option?
No,
but
it's
only,
balanced.
only pork meat.
it's only pork meat
Okay, I
because
see.
it's pork specialty.
Right.
Bamboo leaf, but
Okay.
in the Bangkawan they use I think they use like a banana leaf also. So the
Ah.
flavor is different from the
Right,
Bangkawan.
because of the leaves.
Yes, because the Bangkawan is more sweet than this one.
I see.
It's more balanced.
Wow. Excited. Nggak tahu tapi malamnya.
Iya, malam. Kalau hujannya berhenti sore,
Kemarin ramenya waktu malam.
dari jam 4 udah ramai.
Oke. Itu kita baru mulai sih, jadi belum ada follower yang banyak.
Boleh apa
Ayo
namanya?
kita mau ratusan.
Udah setengah tinggal
Sisa setengah.
Padahal buka sampai tanggal 18.
Iya.
Oh, sampai tanggal
Lagi setengah lagi. Bacang. Huge. Crazy man. 60,000 for this one. Smells amazing. Smells like sweet caramelized onion. So this is a traditional Chinese dishes. They say they are the best. Like they are really insist that they are the best in whole Indonesia. So yeah, we're gonna find out if it's real or not. Wow. They use glutinous rice. Wow. Even the rice without anything is amazing. Now we're gonna try to open this one, right? So we're gonna see how the insides looks like. Wow. I think it has some meats, garlic. Yeah, mostly meats. Wow. Wow. Sweet, but not like super sweet, right? It's not like punch you, but I think the savory and the sweetness is really balanced, but more definitely into the sweet part. Once you bite into the meat, the sweet is kind of balancing itself out. Oh, it's super sticky. So the sticky rice with the meat. Oh, that's amazing. I think they add some extra sauce in here as well. For 60,000, this is great. There is some mushroom as well inside. Wow. Is this the best bakcang in Indonesia? Could be. Could be. I cannot say it's the best because I rarely try bakcang before. But so far, this is the best that I have tried. Maybe they could claim this is the best of the best. 4.6 out of 5. You are Westerner, you come to this place, you need to try this too. Because super rare to find bakcang this good in Bali. Wow, amazing. So we spend what? First dishes we spend 30,000, and then second dishes we spend 85,000, and the third dishes we spend 60,000. 175. We have budget of 100,000 minus 175. We still have 325,000. Around what? $20. So yeah, we're gonna find our third dishes. This looks interesting. The name is Babi Kuah PS Gede Solo, which translates to pork meat. No, pork soups. PS Gede Solo, I think it's the name. So it's Gede Solo pork soup. Interesting. See, they have a lot of meat option. From meat, sausage, intestine. That's crazy, man. Oh, see, they have lang, samchan, which is like babi guling, klepon. Klepon is a dessert dish. why they call it klepon? They have kuping, which is the ear, lidah, which is the tongue, and then usus, which is the intestine. They are pretty packed, so we know it's gonna be good. I take a look, it's 125. No, 75,000. The smell is crazy, man. The smell is good, really good.
Oh, boleh.
Ini yang lengkap ya?
Lengkap. Ini juga lengkap, Kak.
Tapi lebih besar.
Iya, lebih besar ini dan lebih banyak ini gramasinya.
Nggak apa-apa yang ini aja biar. Isinya apa aja, Mbak?
Oh, boleh di mix, Kak. Semuanya boleh.
Semuanya boleh. Boleh coba semuanya.
Boleh, tapi di luar sosis ya. Kalau
Oke.
mau coba sosis nambah
Oh,
55.
sosisnya beda.
Iya.
So,
Soalnya
the sausage is different.
sosisnya full daging soalnya.
Oh, the sausage is full of meat without zero fat. So we're gonna try the full package. Coba semua ya.
Oke.
Di mix aja semua.
Atas nama Kak siapa?
Gonna mix everything. Randy.
25.
Ada? Oke.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bro.
Oh, itu buruk loh.
Wow. Looks fabulous. You know, I'm really intrigued to try the sausage, but the sausage itself is too expensive. 55,000 for one sausage. If we have spare budget after this one, if we have money left after we try a lot of things, we definitely gonna back here and try the sausage. If we have money left. If we have money left. I hope I have money left, right?
Yang mana? Yang ini 200 gram. Isinya mau di
Let's lihat yang daging.
ini apa, Kak?
This is the samchan. We have the tongue over here. This is, I believe, this is the samchan. We have the lungs over here. This is sausage. This is the klepon, which I don't know what. And they have the ear. Yeah, that's the ear, man. Everybody is shouting in here. Everybody is shouting in here for some reason. It feels like more like a war zone than a food store, but it's interesting. It keeps everything alive. Wow, Kuahnya siapa aja nih Mbak?
Sakwe sih Pak.
Kuahnya siapa aja? Kuahnya apa aja?
Itu kuahnya dia gurih asin.
Gurih asin.
Asin manis.
Oke, savory and salty. Nice. Kasih ya.
Makasih ya Kak.
4 dishes man, 4 dishes. Because they display all the meat in front of the stall, right? This caught our attention. And honestly, from the smell, it's awesome. We have the lungs, intestines, ears, tongue even, and the meat itself. You wanna try the soup first? Wow, it's sweet. It's not as sweet as the bakcang. If you are new into the Indonesian cuisine, I think this would scare you because Westerner they are rarely eats the intestine, right? But we're gonna try the lung first. This is the lung, yeah. This is the lung. Good, it's good. If you haven't tried pork lung, it's kind of tastes like foie gras, you know. But it has a really strong flavor. This is the intestine. Chewy, meaty without any fat. This is the klepons or also in the intestine part. I tried to find it in the dictionary but cannot find any correct English word for this one. I think it's just intestine. I would like to try to find the tongue because I never taste pork tongue before. I think this is the tongue. Oh yeah, this is the tongue. This is definitely the tongue. Wow, it's good. I mean, it tastes like steak. I never tasted tongue before. I don't know. I did not know that it's so good. Awesome. This is the samchon, which is part of the skin, also with the fat below it. In Bali, we use this for babi guling, of course. This is definitely one of the most unique dishes that we have in the food festival. I think you need to try this one because, of course, it's an acquired taste, right? Not everyone can enjoy it, but if you want to try something new, I really recommend this one. And I do really enjoy this too. So 4.7 out of 5. I really love this. Now we're gonna try the 5th dish.
Makan Ren.
Ini isinya babi juga ya?
Ya ada babi, ayam sama yang manis Kak. Ada bapaknya.
Boleh coba yang mana rekomen?
Kalau misalkan untuk babinya sendiri yang best seller itu yang chashu Kak, sama yang
Yang chashu.
spesial ya.
So for our 5th dish, this is a bakpao, this is a Chinese dish. The stuffing is char siu actually. The stuffing is char siu or red pork meat. Yeah.
Silakan Kak, bapaknya Kak.
Oh, one also the interesting thing about this is bakpao-nya dibuat dari ini ya, apa namanya?
Dari labu Kak.
Dari labu ya?
100% labu Kak, tanpa keluarga.
Ah.
Kuningnya kuning alami dari labunya Kak. Silakan Kak.
So the dough they use pumpkin dough. That's why it's called Bili pumpkin pao. Never tasted pumpkin pao before, so this is gonna be a first. 30,000 for one. I think that's quite a steal. Right? We have what? 450,000 left minus 30,000. That's around 220,000 left. So $15. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so for our fifth dish, this is a pumpkin bak pao with char siu or Cantonese barbecue pork meat. I never have a pumpkin bak pao before. So they made the dough with pumpkin. So it's really interesting. The combination between the pumpkin, wow, and the pork meat would be delicious, I think. Smells like pumpkin and pork. It's super red. Interesting. I think the combination of savory from the pork meat and sweet from the pumpkin pao making this bak pao is so interesting. Another bite. I think it's just like normal bak pao with slightly pumpkin taste, and I don't feel the char siu is. I don't know how they make it, but it's just like ordinary pork meat. Yeah, but it's still good. It's still good. Don't get me wrong. We pay 30,000 for this one, so I will give it 4.4 out of 5.
Rasa yang ini ada tuan.
For our sixth dish, we have enough of pork, so we're gonna try the non-pork fat option now. Jakarta is well known for its mie, its noodle, right? So we definitely need to try some noodles in here. And these noodles looks amazing. Halo. Yang rekomen yang mana ya?
Bestseller kita ada kombinasi tuh kan. Ada kombinasi ini bestseller kita, kalau nambah 10.000 lagi ada tambahan telur sama jamur.
Oke.
Iya.
Yang bakmi bakar kombinasi yang best seller ya?
Iya, dua-dua ini sih bestseller.
Oke, yang ini aja deh.
Kombinasi aja.
Oke. So we are in bakmi bakar Dua Putri, which translates to toasted or roasted noodles, two doctors. The staff suggested to us for us to take the combination mix. So basically everything put in place together. They have chicken meat, mushroom, eggs, and vegetable. The interesting part is they toast it, they roast it, right? Then barbecue the noodles. So I haven't tried a roasted noodle before. We pay 65,000 for this. That's mean we only have 150,000 left, or plus $10 left, like exactly $10 left. So we need to hold our budget, not spending like crazy because we only have several thousand less. So far, this place is crazy, man. I mean, many people are coming, maybe because it's Sunday as well, right? But they say yesterday, during Saturday, it's crazy too. It's super packed everywhere, right? Honestly, I impressed on the speed of how they put out all the dishes, right? I think all the stall in here are already a season stall, so they go everywhere the festival going. After in Bali, they will go to Surabaya and to Medan as well. So I think they've been doing this kind of food stall for many years. So they know which one need to come up first, which one need to be sped up. We rarely wait 10-15 minutes here. So yeah, impressed by that. I thought it was gonna be super crazy because we need to queue you and we need to wait, right? But no, the reality is super super fast. So yeah, if you want to enjoy this place, I really recommend you go not in during the peak hour, not during the lunch, not during dinner, because yeah, it's still you need to find places to eat, right? You need to find places to sit down. Thanks, bro. So for our sixth dish, this is called roasted noodles, mixed roasted noodles. Let's see. So they wrap the noodles inside the banana leaf and then roasted it. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, the smell when you open it, it's like smoky. This one is without pork, so it's only chicken meat with sauces and then chicken char siu, vegetables, and that's it. Oh, they also give us this, the soup, the soup. Wih, kok bisa ada gitu-gitu ya? Oh, I think we should try without the soup first. Wow. Wow. It's good. Bon appetit. Wow. No, this is fantastic. I live in Jakarta for 1 year for work, and one thing that I really miss living in Jakarta is their noodles. They have the most amazing noodles. We rarely have amazing Indonesian noodle dishes in Bali, so this is really awesome. Now we're gonna try with the soup and then mix everything together. The soup definitely helped because without the soup, everything got too sticky. Now we will try this. See? Damn. This is awesome. And it is worth every penny. For me, I honestly can say that this is the best dishes that I have tried today. Easy. 4.8 out of 5. The best dishes so far that I tried today. Bakmi Bakar Dua Putri, if you come to this food festival, you need to try this one. I think you guys will like it. Now we're gonna try our 7 dishes. We still have 150,000 left, so I hope it is enough for 3 dishes more. My wife brought the drinks, right? It's kind of stupid. We need to just video it out. 50,000 for on lemon squash, but you got a free toy. I don't know what this is called, but it's unicorn toy. Mau es durian original? Ya. Satu aja. I think we have enough of savory food, so it's definitely time for dessert. When we walk around, we found this King Durian 93, which is smells like durian in here. They sell durian with shredded ice, and then cendol, which is a classic Indonesian beverage drink. But we're gonna try the es durian, which is ice durian. their best seller. I never tried ice durian before, so this is gonna be the first time. I hope it's gonna be amazing. We pay 40,000 for this one, so we still have few cases left.
Itu original cuma durian atau?
Kalau original dia cuma ada satu sekali aja. Kalau favorit ada durian.
For durian with shredded ice, oh, they add cheese as well. Interesting. So before we still have 150,000, we pay the durian 40,000, meaning we still have what, 110? So we decided to go for another dessert, right? This is a classic Indonesian dessert called rujak fruit salad, but with spicy. Oke?
Boleh Kak, silakan.
Mau dong satu?
Boleh. Buah satu.
Apa aja buahnya?
Buahnya masih lengkap Kak yang ada di
Oh,
etalase.
itu buah apa? Buah apa sih?
Itu buah lobi-lobi.
Lobi-lobi?
Iya.
Buah apaan? Buah apaan lobi-lobi?
Lobi-lobi itu buah yang jadul yang udah langka gitu. Asam
Damn,
bumbunya.
that's crazy.
Iya. Boleh,
So,
silakan.
the guys say this is called lobi-lobi fruit. Right? This is a really rare fruit, even in Indonesia. I haven't tried this one before, so yeah, interesting. Boleh coba nggak?
Boleh silakan.
Itu nggak dibuka biasanya.
Iya.
Oh,
Emang mau gitu.
pahit ya?
Asam.
Asam.
It's super sour. It's crazy sour. Oh. This is called lengkeng. Lengkeng kan ya?
Menteng.
Hah?
Menteng.
Menteng. In Bali we call it lengkeng. Lengkeng. This is markisa, mangoes. Yeah, interesting. Oh, what's that? Ini apa bang? Kecombrang?
Iya. Buah kecombrang.
Kecombrang fruit. That's weird. So they cut everything, the mangoes, the lobi-lobi, the lengkeng. Oh, they have papaya as well and guava. Mix everything with the sauces. And yeah, this is a classic rojak. Wow. Berapa? 50.
Please satu.
50,000.
Boleh silakan rujak ya.
So we got two dessert. We are really having a hard time to decide what we're gonna do with 60,000. Is it gonna be savory, or we gonna go with another dessert? So what do you think? Dessert? It looks fantastic. All right, we go with the dessert then, because I think the cameraman really love to try this one. Halo.
Apakah?
Berapa?
50.
Oke. Ini dipakein apa ya? Pakein ini.
Pakai coklat.
Boleh deh coba pakein coklat.
Oke, yang coklat satu.
Dapat berapa? Satu aja.
Susu.
Satu susu 50.
Iya.
Mahal sih. Oh my. Let's look fabulous. Wow. So for the last 3 dishes, because we are already so full, we decided to go for a dessert, right, or the sweep option, right. And this is actually picked by the cameraman because he really loved to try this one. This is a fruit stick coated in chocolate. 50,000 for this. Honestly, I think it's overpriced because it's just few grapes, orange, and strawberry, and then coated in chocolate. 50,000. Bit steep, you know. But I'm gonna try it anyway. So yeah. I believe the first one is grape, and then oranges, and then strawberry, and then grape. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat the first two. 50,000, remember? $3. Wow. Wow. I take back what I said because this is good. I think 50,000 is really good price for this one. Wow. I don't expect it to be that good. I give this 4.5 out of 5. My cameraman and my wife already see this fruit stick and they really want to try it too, so I'm gonna give it to them while I'm gonna try the next dishes. For the 8th dish, we're gonna try classic Indonesian fruit dishes. This is called rujak, which is basically mixed fruit with sauces, rujak sauces. Normally we use peanut sauces, but I don't think this is a peanut sauce. This is just coconut sugar, palm sugar with few spices. It's super sour. Alright. It's unlike any other rujak that I have tasted before, but interesting. I think because the lobi-lobi fruit, right? Lobi-lobi fruit that they explained to us is that fruit is abysmal. Oh, this is mango and papaya. I'm gonna try the mango first. No, it's actually guava. Wow. Amazing. They use marquesa as well, so it's like you got some crunchy in the sauce with the papaya. What is this? This is not papaya. No. Oh, this one is called bengkoang in bahasa Indonesia, or in English it's called jikama. Interesting. You know, the taste is, it's hard to describe it. It's like exotic, right? Oh, this is the mango. I think even us as an Indonesian, to eat a rujak like this is really rare, super rare. So I love it. Although the taste itself is pretty exotic, I'm not saying it's bad, but it's definitely an acquired taste. This is definitely a must try if you come to this place. You will find a lot of fruits that unusual, even for us Indonesian. A lot of these fruits are unusual for us, right? So definitely need to try this one. So it's 50,000. I will give it 4.5 out of 5. Okay, last dishes. I think we saved the best dessert for the last, right? So this is the. Damn, it's hard to open. This is the king of fruits, or durian. Smells like durian, so it's super strong. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I haven't eaten durian for many years. I think the last time I ate durian like 2 years ago. So yeah. Tastes amazing. It's sweet, it's fresh, I think the ice is all already melted. If you are Westerner, if you are foreigner, if you really want to try durian first time in your life, I think this is also the best way to try it as well. The only minus part is the smell. It's too strong. I don't think they need to put the cheese, honestly, because the cheese is kind of ruining the durian taste for me. And for the taste, I will give this 4.5 out of 5. With that dish finished, it concludes our adventure today in this food festival. It's called Gebyar Kuliner Festival, located in Ramayana Bali Malls. So they're running from since the 9th of January and will be here until 18th of January. We are shooting this on the 11th, so you still have 7 days to go to this food festival. And after this, they will go to Surabaya next. I think if you are in Bali, if you want to try Indonesian dishes, not only pork but also halal option, not only savory but also dessert option, sweet option, you need to come to this food festival because it has everything. The tastes are amazing, the price are affordable. We've been here since in the afternoons. Now it's already almost 8 p.m. We've been enjoying all the dishes in here and I really love it. I think it's introduced me, especially as a Balinese, introduced to a lot of another part of Indonesian cuisines. This is the first time I try pork soup from Solo, and also the first time I tried the roasted noodles. The first time I tried the crazy fruit lobi-lobi, which is super sour. And yeah, I'm grateful to be able to come here, and I think you need to come here as well, right? This is once of a kind food festival. I think they just do it once in a year. So yeah, my favorite dish is the noodles, right? I never taste noodles that's good. I think the meat is great. The noodle itself is really good, but the way they roast the noodle, it gives a really strong and rich smoky flavor. So that's a really win for me. So that is the best and most memorable dishes that I tried. Not memorable, maybe the best dishes that I tried today. But the most memorable one is the rujak dishes because they have a lot of crazy fruit they haven't tasted before. The lobi-lobi fruit, the kencobrang fruit, they even put cassava actually in the rujak. So yeah, that's crazy, man. So far, we budget ourselves 500,000. We try to eat as much dishes as possible within that budget limit, right? And let me open a breakdown for you. So the first, this is the grilled chicken skewer is 30,000. The babi bulu is 85,000. The mixed rice. The bakchang is 60,000. The babi kuah or pork soup is 75. The pumpkin bakpao is 30,000. The bakmi bakar, it's actually 75,000. Rujak is 50,000. The durian is 40,000 and the fruit satay is 50,000. All in all, we spent 490,000. That means we have 10,000 rupiah. This is less than $1, man. So at least we are not broke yet. So yeah, that's it. I think this place is really good. The festival is really amazing. I hope if I have the time, I will come back here again because they have 53 food stall and we only try 9 from 53 food stall, right? So still have a lot of food that we need to try. If you are in Bali, you are definitely need to come here. I really recommend it 100%. Bring your friends, bring your girlfriend, bring your families. So that's all for today and I hope I see you guys next week. Goodbye.